This is the NZXT's M22 AIO cooler with a 120mm radiator. What's unique about the M22 is that the pump resides at the center of the radiator, which is a non-issue considering that that's pretty much the dead spot when it comes to air movement from fans. After all, the center is not where the air movement is produced. Over here on the CPU block, there's this beautiful RGB LED with NZXT's logo, and the RGB LED is powered by USB, of which I'm happy to say that NZXT did a great job by providing a USB cable that is long enough to go from one side of the motherboard, route it underneath, and towards the other side where the USB connectors reside. Now let's have a look at the benchmarks, of which I compared the M22 against AMD's Wraith Prism stock cooler, and both of them are using the same thermal paste from Cooler Master. As you can see from the results, the M22 does outperform the AMD Wraith Prism cooler by quite a fair bit. So we come to the end of this review. The NZXT's M22 AIO cooler at its usual price is RM339, of which I'm giving it a silver badge based on that price. But I heard that there's a promo price right now at RM249 over here in Malaysia, that is. So if we were to go based on that price, then yes, this unit will get a gold badge. So yes, that's it for the NZXT's M22 AIO cooler. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.